We got a little bit of a dust on crust situation. This ski dog rips! How he rode away from that, I have no idea. It's just falling in. You just fall into it. Yeah. Hey, what? What up, Team Buckhouse? We just woke up at 2 in the morning and drove 8.5 hours, technically 9 because we drove through a snowstorm, to Jackson Hole, and it's puking outside. We got the ski dock, we got backflipping Benson, and today is gonna be insane. Our first day at Jackson, it's literally a storm. So we expect super high winds, tons of snow in the face, not a lot of powder. It's been super windy. Wyoming is like the windiest place on the planet. But we're gonna have a good day, and then the whole point is tomorrow we're gonna go hit Corbett's. So subscribe to the channel so you can watch us drop Corbett's. You don't wanna miss that video, obviously. That's gonna be sick. Benton's claiming a backflip, and I keep putting the pressure on. He said it, and now I'm like shoveling it on, you know what I'm saying? He's like trying to back out now. He's like,
only if the snow conditions are good.
It's puking, they're gonna be great. Let's go. You're sending it. All right, we're gonna send it. Let's get out of here. Michael, you ready to get out of the back?
Yeah, can we please get out of here?
We got a little bit of a dust on crust situation. Not bad though. The snow that is falling feels good.
The worst powder I've ever ridden.
Dust on crust. Alright guys, we're completely lost. We're just going with the flow. It's a little hard underneath the snow. We're thinking we might check the park out because what's groomed and then the snow on top isn't that bad. Obviously like the trees and the stuff we want to ride is just so crunchy underneath. It's sick. I think we're already having a blast. Okay.
I got my heart rate up for sure.
Look at this giant boulder. It's not a boulder, it's a rock. want you guys to hear the section that we just rode down. You guys have to hear the audio of this snow. So we were saying, if there were like 6 more inches, this would be like prime time, money time. Now it's still snowing and it's supposed to kind of snow throughout the day. So hopefully tomorrow we'll have the sickest day. Also tomorrow the sun should be popping out, which is gonna be sick, so we can actually see the full view. We get a pretty good shot of like the village at Jackson and all like the farms around it, but can't see anything else. I don't know if there's any mountains around or anything. This place is pretty huge though, and the zone we're in right now, the rocks and drops are sick, and Corbett's is all the way that way. So I can't imagine what's underneath Corbett's. The tram is closed today because of high winds as well, which is a super bummer, because hopefully tomorrow it's not closed, because Corbett's is a huge reason why we came out here. But on the note of this killer view, you know what it reminds me of? Today's sticker shout out. We got Rob Rogers 37 with the Grom walking the electric sticker on the helmet, looking so sick, man. As well as we got another Grom Hudson Ball with the Galaxy sticker on the helmet. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. Supporting the dream. It's how we're able to do this, is when you guys snag the stickers or the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. Any of the merch you guys snag supports trips like this, so we can come to Jackson, knock another resort off our resort wrist, but also allowing me to do this for a living, because this is hard to like ride every day, make edits every day. No, I couldn't do it if I worked a different job. So guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. So if you want an Evolution sticker, they're linked in the description if you do snag them. Tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram. You're missing out on so much bonus extra content if you're not following my Instagram. I post obviously regular posts there. My stories are like little hidden gems. I try to make funny stories all the time, as well as you would know I'm ripping at Jackson if you're following my Instagram. So follow the Instagram for the bonus extra content. And now that my feet got a little bit of a rest from the like, it's time to send it, dude. I'm having so much fun here. I'm really happy we came out to Jackson. And the drive wasn't too bad. Three guys driving 8.5 hours. It's really not that bad. It's just an early morning. I didn't even sleep. Literally stayed up all night. Slept 4 hours in the car. Let's send it. Park looks sick. We gotta get some laps in there, figure out the speed. We'll do a couple in the park just in the top, killing our feet. However, once again, we drove out here at 2 in the morning, so we're hungry. What up? So we're gonna go see if we can find something to eat real quick, get some extra energy to crush the second part of this day. All right, we're nice and full. We're ready to go send the park. However, when we got lunch, I did make sure to go get my Jackson hole pin. I get a pin at every single ski resort I ride at, and the goal is to ride every resort in the US. Sorry. If you haven't seen the resort map, we have knocked off over 70 resorts. Of the 466, we found 2 more resorts in the US that have to be ridden. So if you want to check out the resort map, it's like a cool map of the United States that has every ski resort. It's just cool to go look at, so go look at it. But then click on the green ones and you'll see the videos that we filmed at that resort, so you can see if I rode at your ski resort, and if I haven't, just know I'm coming your way. But on the note of the pin, if you want an Evolution pin, those are also available. Those are linked in the description if you want to start a pin collection like I am doing. And you guys keep asking me, what am I going to do with all the pins? I don't know yet. Oh, and by the way, it's cleared up and we can see Corbett's way up there. Tomorrow, I really hope it opens up. Sun came out, which is awesome, but not awesome. And then it's warming up the snow, making it even slower. Still sick that the sun came out though. Makes me happy. I can't explain how fun it is to kick that ball. It's so soft. It's a big balloon. Normally bonks are like these really hard, like, boom. You feel like you're breaking your snowboard. That thing's soft. Alright, this park is super goofy and fun, which is making these guys super goofy. But we kind of want to go up the tram before the end of the day, just to kind of see what up there looks like, set up for tomorrow, because hopefully Corbett's opens up, because it's closed today. And then we get Corbett's Couloir tomorrow, which would be insane. But we just want to go up to the top, see everything, get a better layout of the, you know what I'm saying. We're going up. The park is sick. The snow is just so slow. Obviously because of COVID, I don't know how many people they're letting go on the tram at once.
25 again.
Well, let's go. Let's do this together.
I just ditched my family because they're like, line's too long.
Well, now you got a new family. To see because it's on a GoPro, but dude, these mountains are breathtaking. They're so massive. Alright, we're gonna go look at Corbett's. We're saving it for tomorrow, but we're gonna go take a peek, see what we're getting ourselves into. So it's closed. Alright, first looks at Corbett's. Huh. It's so gnarly.
Send it on the video. Send it down that.
Straight down. It's just falling in. You just fall into it.
Yeah. Hey, watch your step right here.
Hi Benson, how you feeling about your backflip tomorrow?
I'm not ready for this.
Dude, Jackson Hole's on another level, that's for sure. I guarantee though that makes Corbett's look like nothing. Yeah, that chute over there. Alright, tomorrow we're gonna slide down on our butts or something. I decided to come closer and get like a look of it. It's just down. Shit. Alright, we're gonna do it tomorrow. So once again, subscribe. But this one's Chipmunk. We're gonna ride out of here. It's the end of the day. That's why it's closed. And whoo, big and heavy. Yeah. If you ever wonder why Ben's snowboard's damaged, here you go. How he rode away from that, I have no idea. No, you landed, stopped, and then rode away. Yeah, that was sick. That was huge. We did so much selfie stick today because it's sketchy doing follow cam.
No.
Was good? Yeah. You're a boss.
I think.
You landed on that stick. Dude, guys, we closed this place down. What a sick day. Definitely one of the hardest days on my feet because the snow was just so crunchy underneath, but we were still able to find some good stashes, get some great turns today. It was awesome. Thanks for showing us around MapQuest.
Thanks. Had a real fun time rolling with you guys.
Yeah, it was sick. We'll be out here again tomorrow.
Yeah, that's good. So we can find each other on the
All right. The only downside of this whole Jackson trip is the fact that the snow quality is gonna stay crunchy because tomorrow the sun's gonna come out, which is gonna be awesome like all day, but it's gonna stay 30 degrees, so it shouldn't get super slushy, so it'll still be pretty firm when we drop Corbett's, but at least the sun will be out, which could be really cool. And I'm already calling it, I might be sliding on my butt the whole way down, so you guys are gonna have to check the video out because I don't know if it's because of a lack of a snow year or if it's always that gnarly. It's like down. Okay, so it's pretty awesome. Now when we rolled up, we couldn't see the mountain. Now we can actually see it. This place is massive with all like mountain riding. Some of the most gnarly mountain riding I've seen on a ski resort. I definitely put air in that tire. All right, so we're definitely ending the video here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. It helps the almighty YouTube algorithm. More people will see us ripping this video if you guys smash the like button. So please smash a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Our goal is to not only ride every resort in the United States, but I want to help you become the best snowboarders possible. I post a bunch of how-to daily content. So you definitely want to hit that subscribe button. We are exhausted. I don't know if you guys can see it in our faces, but waking up at 2 in the morning, driving 8.5 hours to get to the ski resort and then ride all day. It's pretty exhausting.
We shut her down.
Yeah, we shut it down.
Yeah, we rode till close.
So we're gonna go take a nap, and then I'm gonna take a nap, then we'll wake up and edit, and then go to bed. And then we'll be back here tomorrow for Corbett's, and, and it's gonna be funny. He's nervous.
I'm nervous.
To just go down the normal chute.
To go down the normal chute. I'm not, if there was 2 feet of powder, I would have no issue actually just tossing a backflip whether I landed or not. But with the snow conditions that are in there right now.
That's what I'm saying, like, I know I can get in there tomorrow and just do it. I just don't want to just sit on my butt and go in. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with the Corbett's video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need